A dietitian told Insider that although many items that are promoted as healthy are actually highly processed, they can still be a part of a balanced diet. Protein bars, vegetarian and vegan sausages, salad kits, and trail mix are just a few examples of foods that frequently advertise on their packaging that they are high in protein or low in fat, despite the fact that they may contain ultra-processed ingredients that have been linked to weight gain, an increased risk of diseases like cancer and dementia, as well as an earlier death. Foods are categorized according to how processed they are using the NOVA scale, which places ultra-processed foods in Group 4. The items in Group 4 are the most processed, meaning they frequently contain flavorings and preservatives and don't always resemble the raw materials they were manufactured from. It's crucial to keep in mind that according to experts, there are no purely good or bad foods. As previously stated by nutritionist Taylor Grasso to Insider, the poison is in the dose. This indicates that while eating whole foods with more nutrients, vitamins, and minerals and less extraneous substances is preferable than eating ultra-processed meals, doing so should be limited. Grasso explained to Insider how to incorporate highly processed health items into a balanced diet. Bars of protein. Protein bars are, in the words of Grasso, a great, convenient option if you need to get something in quickly that has protein. She advised limiting yourself to 1 bar each day and claimed that the ideal protein bars are those with fewest ingredients, 2 to 4 grams of fiber, 15 to 20 grams of protein, and 250 calories or less. Veggie sausages. Vegetarian sausages can be a great alternative to regular meat sausages for vegetarians, but often they are far more processed and contain much more sodium in order to make them taste better and improve their shelf life. Low-sodium turkey or chicken sausages, according to Grasso, can be far healthier alternatives for meat eaters because they are higher in protein, include fewer additives, and have lower sodium and saturated fat content than some vegetable sausages. She clarified, however, that it really comes down to ingredients and dietary preferences. A salad kit. Salads are a delicious and convenient way to eat your vegetables, and salad kits make it simple to prepare them. But make careful to pick kits whose dressings and toppings don't include a lot of additives. To improve the nutrient richness, Grasso said she chooses the ones that have veggies more than just lettuce, such as kale, Brussels, and broccoli. Grasso advised consuming only half to 2/3 of the packet of prepared dressing or, if you have the time, preparing your own with heart-healthy olive oil, lemon juice, herbs, and spices. Vegetable milks. Although emulsifiers and other additions used in plant-based milks to prevent separation are not inherently harmful, they do increase the amount of processing compared to cow's milk. Cow's milk, according to Grasso, has a great nutrient profile since it contains calcium and vitamin D, and is frequently higher in protein than plant-based milks. According to her, soy milk is the greatest to include in a balanced diet since it has the nutrient profile that is most similar to that of cow's milk, whereas most nut milks are very low in calories and protein. Trail mix. According to Grasso, trail mix can be a great option for a caloric-dense snack. She recommended making your own trail mix, with unsweetened dried fruit and unsalted nuts to prevent additional sodium or added sugar that can be found in processed versions. In contrast, she advised using store-bought trail mixes with fewer added sugar and salt if you don't have the time to make your own.